In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Spotify in Discord. If you've ever noticed your friends seeing what you're listening to, and you'd rather keep that private, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn it off without disconnecting your accounts or changing anything in Spotify itself. Start by opening Discord on your desktop and looking to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see a small gear icon next to your avatar and username. That gear opens your user settings. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to a panel with a lot of options, but don't worry, we're heading straight to the right place. Inside user settings, find the section labeled Connections. This is where Discord shows the accounts you've linked, such as Spotify. Click Connections, and you should see the Spotify logo listed among your connected services. If Spotify is already linked, it will appear here with some options beneath it. If you don't see Spotify, that simply means there's nothing to hide yet, and you can skip the rest, or come back after you've linked it in the future. When Spotify is connected, look for two toggles under that connection. The first is Display on Profile. Turning this off stops your Spotify account from appearing on your public Discord profile, so visitors won't see that you've linked it. The second is Display Spotify as your status. Toggle this off to prevent your current song from showing up as a live status message next to your name. This is the setting that hides the Listening to Spotify banner and track details from your friends and servers. As you switch these off, Discord should update your status almost immediately. If you still see the old status for a moment, give it a few seconds or switch channels to refresh. Remember, these toggles only affect what Discord shows. They don't pause your music, change your playlists, or impact your listening activity inside Spotify. You can continue enjoying your music exactly as before, just privately. If you ever change your mind, return to the same connections page and flip those toggles back on. It's completely reversible, so you can control your visibility depending on the situation, like study sessions, work, or when you're just not in the mood to share. And there you go. You've learned how to hide Spotify in Discord by visiting User Settings, opening Connections, and turning off Display on Profile and display Spotify as your status. That's all.